Hey y'all, welcome to Cooking with Coach Striffler. I'm Coach Striffler and I'm going to be cooking for you tonight. You know, we have busy lives these days. My wife and I are both teachers. We work all day working to mold young lives into the adults that they're going to be and the successful and productive members of society later on in life. So when I get home, I don't want to cook. I'd much rather just pull through the drive-thru, pick up something, bring it home, feed my family. But what I found is that if you have the right tools, you can cook at home. So we're gonna cook for you tonight. We're making up some fajitas, and I'm gonna show you just how quick and easy you can cook dinner for your family. All right, well, let's get started here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chicken and I'm just going to put it in my mixing bowl. And I'm going to throw that there in the classic batter bowl. Now tonight we're going to use the chipotle rub. Okay. I'm just going to set this batter bowl to the side. Now while I'm doing this, I'm preheating our double grill burner. And it does come with the grill presses. It's already a little bit hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and use an oven mitt. I like this one because it covers most of your forearm, so when you're reaching in the oven for those cookie sheets, you're not gonna burn your forearm on the oven. But you'll see, oh, a little bit of smoke coming up already. That's good. This is gonna cook our chicken up probably in about, 4 to 5 minutes. I already have some peppers cut up, but any good kitchen is gonna wanna have good kitchen cutlery. All right, we got all the peppers and onions cut up. We got our grill pan nice and hot. I'm gonna put the chicken on here and I'm gonna put all the peppers and onions on here in one pan. This is all gonna cook together. All of the flavors are gonna melt together. And let me just take this time to let you know, I am not in any way, shape, or form a trained professional chef.
I have no professional training. Cheat base! Cheat base!
I don't use, professional technique. I experiment with my own seasoning. I don't follow recipes that often, but my family doesn't complain. And when we have friends over, they seem to like it. The food's all gone at the end of the night. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this chicken on here. I'm gonna put it on the back burner. Oh, listen to that sizzle. All right, so I got my chicken on there. I'm gonna put the press on there. That's only gonna take about 2 minutes. And I'm gonna take now the grill press off the other side. And I'm just gonna start putting in my peppers and my onions. Now, you can't have any meal in my household without a little garlic. And by all means, I stopped buying the garlic that's pre-minced in the store. Anytime you buy something that is canned or bottled in the store, you're going to have some sort of preservative in it. So you'll see all the garlic went into the pan and there's just a little husk. So I just scrape this off. Love garlic. If you love garlic as much as me, you will want a Pampered Chef press, garlic press. Now, you'll notice that there's a little garlic there on the end. I don't want to touch it, although I like the smell of garlic. I'm okay with it, but I know some people don't. So I'm going to use the brush that comes with it, and I'm just going to go across the bottom, boom, and that's been a couple minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this chicken. This chicken is almost done. Doesn't stick. I would say it's pretty much done. There's a little bit there. We're gonna let it go for about another minute. Look how nice and brown that is. It's got grill marks on it. Looks just like you got it from the restaurant. This is really taking me no time at all at home. I'll put that press on there. I'm gonna give that probably about another minute and a half, and that's gonna be ready. All right. Well, since I was letting that go for about a minute and a half, I did clean my bowl. Okay, food safety. You want to make sure and clean the raw chicken out of there and get it prepared to put the cooked chicken in there. You don't want cooked chicken and raw chicken in the same container. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the press off of here, set it on my mat, and I'm just gonna toss these in the bowl and I'll let those rest for just a few minutes. Now, as I do that, I can pick up this one. I'm gonna go ahead and spread these onions and peppers, and I'm gonna get them into the chicken juice. That'll flavor that up a lot. Okay, spread them out a little bit. You can even throw some seasoning in there if you like. I tend to just kind of like things more el natural. I'll put that press on there, and I'm gonna let that cook up. Again, anytime you buy anything processed at the store, it's gonna have some downfall to it. So I like to shred my own cheese. I like this shredder. Okay, it's small. It's easy to handle. You can shred, just what you need. You don't have to get out a food processor or a big shredder and put it over a bowl. It's got a nice rubberized handle on it, and it bends. So if I wanted to grate it right here on the cutting board, I can set it up like that, grate my cheese, or I could grate it into a bowl, or when I'm fixing my fajitas, if I want, I can shred the cheese right into my fajita and use what I need. I'm gonna take a couple of these because I just wanna show you what you can do with this new revolutionary idea. My new favorite tool. I don't know what they're called, but they are great. One stalk of romaine, and in just seconds you chop up your salad, your romaine. But what they do work best for, I love this, is chicken. Watch this. Chicken pieces in a bowl, couple chops, in seconds, chopped chicken, shredded pork, making pulled pork sandwiches, cooking it in a slow cooker, take it out. You just take this right in your slow cooker. You've got your shredded pork. Oh, they are beautiful. These are a must-have. Look at that. They're in the catalog. You gotta find those. All right, the last little bit. We're in the home stretch. Dinner is almost made. Again, hasn't taken me a long time. I prepared this all myself. Okay, that's not completely true. My wife did help me with a little bit. She definitely got out the materials, cut up some vegetables, and had a chicken ready for me. But we have Pampered Chef stoneware. It's what we're known for at Pampered Chef. Again, my oven mitt. Okay, reaching into the oven, hot oven. I don't bump my arm on the top or the bottom. And look at that, beautiful stoneware. Now this one's fairly new. You'll notice as you use these, they will start to darken. Don't panic, don't scrub it, okay? These do not go in the dishwasher. You do not use soap. You use a scraper to scrape the food particles off using hot water only. This will season itself. It does not absorb food, so it's not going to contaminate anything. You use the hot water, you clean it off, and it's ready to go for the next time you use it. This is our large pizza stone. Making pizza on this. Go on to Papa Murphy's, pick up a pizza. Sometimes you can even take this right to them. They'll put your pizza on it for you to cook at home. But we use it for pretty much everything we need to do in the oven, especially heating up our tortillas. Grab a few tortillas, toss them in there. All right, well, those tortillas are nice and warm now, and so we want to go ahead and grab one or two of those out of the oven, put them on your plate. You can put them in your plate there, just like 2 little tacos. Take your tongs, add some chicken. Add some peppers. I like a lot of peppers. How much garlic can I get in there? Ooh, baby. A little bit of cheese. Or a lot of it. You can always use a little dollop of sour cream. There you have it. Quick and easy fajitas. After a long day of teaching and coaching, your family comes home and you're having fresh, home-cooked, healthy, and most of all, cost-effective dinner. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something. I'm going to be posting more videos that are going to be highlighting the Pampered Chef line of kitchen tools. So like and subscribe if you want to learn more and make yourself healthier and save money. Thanks a lot. This is Cooking with Coach. Hope to see you back again.